Hello, lovelies, compliment of the season. I hope you all are doing great. Join me, let's make this delicious apple, cabbage, and carrot salad. This salad is very simple to make, but very delicious. Just clean and wash your cabbage, your carrots, your apples, and then slice them or grate them. I'll be cutting or slicing the cabbage and apple, but I'll be grating the carrots. And then I have my lemon here, which I will sprinkle on the apples after slicing or cutting them, just to keep them from discoloring. And it also gives it a kind of tangy sweet taste. But if you don't want that tangy taste, you can skip the using of the lemon. I'm using Bama, a brand of mayonnaise, but you can use any salad dressing of your choice. And here we have our apple, cabbage, and carrot salad. The apple in this salad made it more delicious. It gave it that sweet and delicious taste. If you have not tried this before, try it and you will thank me later. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.